So I realized my product's too big to use just one poster board. I'll show you all my butt. So I gotta make a much bigger spot. And all to lay on. And I will just shrink it. Oh my gosh, you guys, that chair is so heavy, and I was really trying to get it to work. I got the whole holiday haul this time, and they sent it to you in 3 different installments, so there's kind of new products coming throughout the season. But I love that palette. It doesn't scream holiday, it's just bright and cheery and feels more fall to me with those cranberries and oranges, and it's really pretty. Okay, now I'm going to start figuring out what of this I want down there. So taking stuff out of the boxes. Trial and error, people. That ended up being way too short and too top heavy. So try it again, different ladder. This one worked with some quite a bit of a manipulation. But I was determined, man. Usually people have a stand that just does this, but when you're kind of makeshifting it, you use a ladder and stand on it. You can tell I'm starting to kind of figure it out. But then even after this, I like change it up. It's just trial and error, and everything kept rolling. So those are like little pieces of bag, like brown paper, that I'm kind of rolling up and sticking on the round thing so they don't just roll. My front porch, you guys, is on a slant, so everything just like wants to roll down into the ground. Those are the jellies. Those are going to be so popular. And the new tools. I love the new tools. The brush and the face tool. They're just fabulous. And a new eyeshadow, that palette, that all-in-one palette. It's going to be great. And the highlighter. Just yum and fun. God, do we need fun right now, right? I took the thing off the ladder, and then got down here and was like, oh, it's not working. I need it separate for Instagram and different for YouTube and a postcard. And I wanted to change the colors too, you know, so that it was a little bit more monochromatic and less clashy and a little simpler. So it looks totally different than when it was up there. And then this was the next step. I wanted to take both of them and kind of up the exposure, which I just did in my phone, and then take that seam out, which I did in PicMonkey, and then add the text, which I did in WordSwag. Obviously that's not very efficient, so I need to figure that flow out too. But I was happy with how they came out. That's the square, and then this one is the rectangle, what I'm using for my holiday card. So thank you very much for joining me here and kind of exploring our new fall collection launch. And join me as well at Curiously Clean Chaos on Facebook and Instagram. I'll be doing some live unboxing events for sure over these next 8 weeks. And of course, like, subscribe, share, and thank you for helping me grow this channel. Bye, Chaos.